Have you ever made changes to a Google form and wished you could go back in time to see what it looked like before? Maybe you're collaborating with a team or fixing something that was changed by mistake. Either way, knowing how to check your Google Forms history can save you a lot of frustration. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video we will walk through what you need to know about checking Google Forms history, what options are available, and why it can be challenging. We will also look at related features that can help and show you an easier way to manage version history using a different form builder. Let's jump right in. Many Google tools like Docs and Sheets include revision history that lets you see past changes and even restore earlier versions. Unfortunately, Google Forms does not offer revision history. That means you cannot directly view a detailed edit history or roll your form back to a previous state within the platform. Even though there is no direct history feature, there are a few related options that can still be useful. You can check response history by going to the Responses tab to review individual submissions. If your form is connected to Google Sheets, you can use its version history to track changes. And if you delete a form, you can restore it from the trash if it's not been permanently removed. You might also wonder if there is an add-on that can help you access your form history. Google Workspace Marketplace offers many add-ons, but the Forms History add-on has been removed and is no longer available. Some third-party Chrome extensions may offer similar functionality, but they are not native solutions and may require extra steps like converting your form. If you need a simpler way to manage form history, using an alternative like Jotform can make a big difference. Jotform includes built-in version tracking, so you can check your edit log without any add-ons or workarounds. To get started, open your form in the Form Builder, then locate the timestamp under the form title. Next, click the circular arrow to open the Revision History window on the right side of the screen, where you can review changes in detail. From there, you can move through each saved version, compare updates, and decide whether you want to keep your current version or go back to a previous one. This flexibility makes it easier to collaborate with teams, correct mistakes, and maintain consistency across your forms without losing important work. It can be frustrating to build forms without a clear way to review past changes, but having the right tool can solve that problem quickly. Jotform offers a straightforward way to view and restore versions so you can stay organized and avoid mistakes without having to use any plugins. Give it a try and see how much easier it is to stay in control of your form history. That way, you always know exactly what's changed over time. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more helpful videos like this one. See you next time.